Hi children, robotics for grade 6. So in the previous class we have discussed about the what is a robot and history of robot. Once again we recall the topic robot and history of robot. First one robot. Robot is looks like a human. It is made up of machine. So it is controlled by a human or an other electronic control systems. Next one history of robots. From the year 1943 to 2015, we have discussed different types of robots. So, first one, the three laws are framed by the Isaac Asimov. He framed three laws. The first law is the a robot cannot injure any human being. Second point, it cannot it whatever the human give order means the robot will do. Next, it can live for own existence. So these are the three laws of Isaac Asimov. Next one we discussed about the turtle robot, Deep Blue. Next NASA he invented their new robot which is placed on the moon. Next one Deep Blue it defects their robots. Next one Gary Kasparov in the chess game. Next, these are their history of the robots. Last one we have discussed about the Eliza. Eliza is look like a human, so it can recognize their through speech and their through their action. It can identify their person or any information. So from the 1943 to 2015 there are different types of robots we have discussed. Today we have discussed about their automation. In this class, we have discussed about the automation, industrial automation, how robots are used in the industrial automation. Next one, space robot. The last one is an advantages of the robotic automation. Today, first topic is an automation. What does mean by an automation? An automation is a reducing their labor and increasing their productivity. For example, in washing machine, it is a fully automatic means all the works are done by the washing machine. There is no human intervention. Only the human can put the cloth in the washing machine and add powder. It means it will automatically rinse and dry it and give it to the user. So likewise, then automatic or the automatic control is a use of various control system for the operating equipments. For example, it is the automation can be used in their factories, boilers and heat treating ovens, switching on a telephone networks, steering, stabilizer of a ships, aircraft and other equipments. The next thing, what is the use of an automation process? For using their automation means it increasing their productivity, increasing their quality of the product, and reducing their cost, increasing their safe condition. Through the automation process, we can achieve first one is the productivity, second one is the quality, third one is reducing their cost, and fourth one is the safety and secure futures. Types of automation. There are different types of automation we are using. First one is a building automation. Building, you know the meaning for building. So in a building an automation process is that, for example, lift. In a lift you have to open the open button press means it will the lift will be opened. If you press the up or down means whatever we give the operation according to their operation they will work. Next one is an office automation. Example, printers. So in an office a printer can be attached to one system. If it is a network system means if any system the user can print in their common system, that is the print office automation. Next one is a scientific automation means scientific related science related projects. So it is also an automatic one. Example, rocket launching. In a rocket launching, they are fixed in the air satellite. When the countdown starts, it will automatically do the operation. Next one is an light automation. Light automation example, street solar lightning. Street solar lightning means in the air, street solar lightning in the daytime, it will, the rays from the sun, it will absorb, it have a capacity, that is an electric capacity to store it. In the air night time, it will glow. So it is a light automation process. Next one is an industrial automation. For example, in an industry, a pack of biscuits can be filled by their robot. So it is automatically done by their robot. In industrial automation, using their control system, the robots can control their whole operation. Second point, handling their different types of machines. For example, plant is nothing but an organization or a company. Field instrument is nothing but an instrument or the devices. So the devices is controlled by either hardware or software, and sometimes both of them, both hardware and software. So listen, you see the picture, what is this? It is a robot. So this type of robot is used in the industry. So we named as thing. For what purpose industrial robots are used in the industry? For for increasing their productivity. Next one, for reducing their cost, and then quality of the product. So these are the factors influencing their factories using their robots. Students, what is this? You can analyze it. Some students know. What is this? It is a robot. So, which place the robots are placed? Mountain. No. It is a space. It is a space. So, a robot which is placed on a space is called a space robots. Next, we discuss about the space robot. A robot which is used in space is called a space robot. It is a substitution for an astronaut, because an astronaut cannot live in a space for long time. If the astronaut is live means there are many dangerous and many hurdles he can accept it. So only the robots can be used in their space for taking videos or capturing some images on their earth. Next, advantages of robotics. First point, increased efficiency. Efficiency is the output or the result. So the robots will give the output in easy manner and in a short time. Second one, higher quality. It gives them good quality of products. Next one, third one, improve working environment. It cannot disturb any others. So the environment should be in a good. Fourth point, profitability. Students, just recall the topic. First one, what is an automation? Automation is a to decreasing their human interaction in a company or machines. So the automatic process is done by the machines or systems. Second one, what is an industrial automation? Why the robots are used in the industry? If the robots are used in industry means we can get productivity is in higher rate, and then it can work for long time. It can achieve their results in a short period of time, and it can save their company's time. Next one, space robots. Why the robots which are used in space? Because a human cannot a human cannot live for a long time in a space. So the space the robots can be used means it can capture videos or photos in for a long time, and it can send it to their earth. Next one, we discussed about there what are the advantages of robotics. In an robotic we are using means it can increase their productivity and saves time, and then it can work for long time, and then it can carry complex activities also. So these are their automation process. Thank you, students.